Nuggets from chicken of the woods. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. Usually you can find this beautiful edible mushroom known as chicken of the woods in May. It grows on tree trunks and its texture is like chicken meat, and that's why they gave it this name. Because of this sulphuric color, they call it also Sulphur Shelf. Make sure you know enough about the wild mushrooms if you want to pick them by yourself. If for any reason this wild mushroom is not available to you, the alternative that you can find in supermarkets is the oyster mushroom. For today's recipe we need black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt for seasoning, 2 eggs, 100 grams all-purpose flour, 200 grams breadcrumbs, 300 grams waxy potato for the side dish, and obviously some vegetable oil. I'm going to make oven baked potato wedges for the side dish and they need time to bake. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and start preparing the potatoes. I peel them, but you can leave them with the skin if you like so. Cut them in wedge-shaped slices. Drizzle them with olive oil. Sprinkle salt, black pepper, chili flakes on top and mix it. Put them in the oven for 30 minutes. Now I cut the chicken of the woods to nugget-sized chunks. Because of the organic shape of the mushroom, it is a little bit tricky to cut it with lesser waste, so take your time to do this. Sometimes when I cut the mushroom, I find some ingrown pieces of wood inside them and I have to cut them out. Even inside, the mushroom has a beautiful gradient yellow hue. I spice up the chunks with garlic powder, chili, and black pepper, and mix it well. Crack the eggs and add 2 tablespoons salt and some black pepper to it and whisk it well. Coat the mushroom pieces with flour and shake the excess flour off. Put them in the egg and make sure they are totally egg washed. And then coat them with breadcrumbs and lay them on a plate. Now they're ready to fry. Heat up a pan with 200 ml vegetable oil on medium heat. And when it's hot, put the nugget inside the oil and fry them slowly until one side is golden brown. Meanwhile, I check the potatoes. You can see they are still not done. Flip the nuggets to fry the other side. When the nuggets are done, the potato should be ready. Let's take a bite. It turned out really crunchy. Look at the chicken-like texture. It is a good chicken nugget alternative for vegetarians. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.